Turkish cuisine is renowned for its rich flavors, diverse ingredients, and deep-rooted traditions. One of its most beloved culinary experiences is meze, a collection of small, flavorful dishes served as appetizers or even as a meal on their own. Whether enjoyed at a seaside restaurant with a glass of raki or as part of a lavish home gathering, meze holds a special place in Turkish culture and hospitality. Meze refers to a selection of small dishes, often served before the main course or as a shared meal. These dishes range from cold salads and yogurt-based dips to hot, savory bites. The concept of meze is not unique to Turkey. Variations exist across the Mediterranean, Middle East, and Balkans. However, Turkish meze has its own distinctive flavors, influenced by Ottoman, Greek, and Middle Eastern culinary traditions. Meze is not just about the food, it's about the experience. It embodies the Turkish tradition of sofra, the act of coming together around a table to share food, conversation, and laughter. Typically, meze is served in a communal style, where diners take small portions from different plates, encouraging a leisurely and social dining experience. Turkish meze can be divided into two main categories: cold meze and hot meze. Cold mezes are usually served first and include a variety of vegetable-based, yogurt-based, and olive oil dishes. After the cold mezes, hot mezes are served, featuring a variety of fried, baked, or grilled dishes. Meze is often enjoyed with raki, Turkey's signature anise-flavored spirit. The combination of raki and meze is more than just a meal. It's a ritual that represents relaxation, socialization, and deep conversations, often extending late into the night. In Turkey, food is a symbol of hospitality, and meze perfectly embodies this spirit. When guests are welcomed into a Turkish home or restaurant, a selection of mezes is almost always the first thing brought to the table. Each dish, no matter how simple or elaborate, carries a story of tradition, local ingredients, and the joy of sharing. Turkish meze is more than just an assortment of small plates. It's a cultural experience that celebrates food, friendship, and hospitality. Whether you're indulging in a spread of creamy dips, savory pastries, or fresh seafood, meze offers a delightful journey through Turkey's rich culinary heritage. So next time you find yourself at a Turkish table, take your time, enjoy the variety, and savor every bite.